AI is not a new field at all. Research began back in the 1950s, over 70 years ago. Understanding this history explains why AI suddenly seems to be everywhere now. Historical context also helps predict what developments come next. The term artificial intelligence was officially coined in 1956 at the famous Dartmouth Conference. Early researchers were extremely optimistic, confidently predicting human-level AI would arrive within just 20 years. Those predictions proved wildly wrong. Early AI used symbolic approaches. Expert systems encoded human knowledge as rules, showed promise in narrow domains, but could not scale or handle ambiguity. AI winters followed when progress stalled and funding dried up. Machine learning gained momentum in 1990s and 2000s. Instead of programming rules, systems learned from data. Gradual progress on specific tasks. Support vector machines, random forests showed practical value. Foundation building. Deep learning breakthrough around 2012. Neural networks with many layers achieved unprecedented accuracy on image recognition. GPUs enabled training massive networks. Progress accelerated dramatically. AI entered new era. AlphaGo beating world champion 2016 captured global attention. GPT and generative AI emerging 2020s brought AI to mainstream awareness. Capabilities improving rapidly. AI now accessible to ordinary businesses and individuals. AI evolved over 70 years through symbolic era, ML rise, and deep learning explosion. Current breakthroughs represent accumulated progress converging with data availability and computing power. Not hype. Genuine capability advancement. History provides context. Next video examines why AI matters specifically for business right now. Strategic timing and competitive implications require attention.